only I had a voice and I could have sang, we would have been having a whole concert on here right now. I'm telling you guys, a whole concert.
You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. You're watching Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen, Kayladeebookings, Caribbean Queen. Beauty, fashion, everything you need. Kayladeebookings.
Hey guys, welcome back. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. So for today's video, it is another wig review, and the wig that I'm reviewing for you guys is a pretty wig. I have her right here. So this wig I did receive from RPGhair. Now this is what the back of the wig is looking like. It is an ombre highlighted wig. It is really gorgeous. I'm just gonna turn her around on my mannequin. So it does have like a really pretty highlights on it. She's a little bit more blonde and a little bit more toned compared to that last highlight wig I did post on my channel. This one is definitely a lot more blonde, I would say, compared to that last wig. And also this one does have some blacks, some blondes, and browns in her. It's like a really nice mixture of like every color. I'm really excited to go ahead and try this one on for you guys. Also, she does come pre-plucked, but I'll show you guys all of that once I do try her on. So again, the hair is from RPGhair. I like to show you guys everything that comes with your wig. So I did already take out my wig, but your wig does come in this satin bag. And then we have a flyer with like instructions and stuff on how to care for your wig. They also send you guys a flyaway tamer, an extra elastic band, a rat tail comb, my edge brush, and also some stocking caps to lay down your wig. So that is everything that comes with your wig. Basically a whole setup, so you know, lay down your wig and style her. And so that is what the hairline on this unit is looking like. It is somewhat pre-plucked. This is an 18-inch and the hair density is a 180 density. Alright, so first we're just going to go ahead and do a little plucking, but I do want to get this hairline to straighten out. That's what the hairline is looking like. I am gonna go ahead and just pluck some more hair from this side over here. I feel like there definitely needs a little bit more plucking, so that's what I'm gonna do right now. So right now I'm just sectioning off the hair in the areas that I do want to pluck, and I'm taking my tweezers and just going back and forth in those areas. Also, my tweezers were a little dull, so I really had to be patient and, you know, try to grab up as much hair as I could. Yeah, I definitely need to get new tweezers. After plucking the hair, I just went ahead and cut off all that excess lace before laying my wig down. And of course, to lay my wig down, I'm using the Got2b Blast and Freeze spray. This is my baby right here. I don't know, I've tried a few different sprays, but I always somehow come back to this one. After spraying my forehead with this spray, I usually just take my lace and lay it down into that spray, and then take my blow dryer on a cool setting and just let it dry. You want to also make sure that you're pressing the lace into your skin as you're letting it dry. And then after laying my wig down onto my head, I'm just taking my elastic band and wrapping up the front of the lace. That way it melts completely into my skin. And then we're going to go ahead and style the rest of the hair. Right now I'm just taking my rat tail comb and trying to give myself the best middle part that I could. You guys know I have a hard time making straight parting spaces. So this day, honestly, I did not do too bad. And then I'm just taking my, this is a flyaway tamer, the one that they provided for you. And it's basically a wax stick. You could use a wax stick also. I don't know why they try to call this one a flyaway tamer, but honestly, it's just a wax stick. And I'm just going over it with my hot comb just to press out everything and make sure that it's really sleek and flat up there. And now I'm just adding some foundation powder into that middle part just to highlight the part a little bit more and make it look more scalpy. And now I'm just about to add some layers to this wig. We're just about to bring her to life because she's looking a little dead right now, but we're about to get her all the way together. So I'm taking my razor blade. This was not the correct razor blade that I actually wanted to use. I have one with like 3 blades on them. I don't know what it's called, though. It has a different name for it. But anyways, couldn't find it, so I had to use this one. And then I'm just pulling out the hair that's in the front and just cutting it. Honestly, I'm not a professional at this, but once I was done, it did look professionally cut, so I'm not complaining, and you guys should not be too. But yeah, after I was finished adding the layers to this wig, it looked so different. Like, it really transformed this wig. I did wear this hair for a good 5 days after my initial install, so this install right here, and the hair is amazing, you guys. So I slept in the hair, woke up the next morning, it was still looking flawless as ever. Lace did not even lift. I was surprised because usually sometimes when I sleep, my lace do tend to lift, especially if I lay it down with the Got2b spray. But lace did not lift. The hair was in perfect condition, you guys. Like, curls was still flawless. I didn't have to touch up the curls for like a good 2 days after my install, but the hair was just looking so flawless, you guys. It's super silky, super soft. No shedding. I barely got any shedding with this hair. Like, literally very minimal to like no shedding. I was really impressed because sometimes when you bleach the hair, it do tend to shed a lot, but with this one there was like little to no shedding, you guys. But yeah, the hair, honestly, if I was to rate this hair out of 10, just like the quality and everything overall, I would definitely give it a 10. And it's actually like 3 o'clock in the morning and I'm recording this voiceover, so my voice sounds a little raspy right now. So, but I love you guys, and yeah, I'm just gonna give you guys a little bit more tea on the hair. But yeah, this wig is just like giving. I feel so sexy right now. The color is really the color that's doing it for me, and also the layers. There's something about these curls lately. I don't know why you guys have been obsessed with this like layer look. I literally have like no words for this hair. Again, you guys know the hair did come pre-curl, so I did not have to go in and curl her up. I did not have to style her. All I really had to do was lay her down, and she is looking fabulous. Like, this is so gorgeous. The color is giving me like grown and sexy vibes. I love the cut. I did go ahead and add some layers to her, but yeah, this is the hair. She is everything. The wig is definitely given, and also because they did pre-curl this wig, and you know, in transit you would think that like the wig would lose its curl, so it definitely does hold a curl, as you guys can see, because they did pre-curl this wig and the curls are still looking so freaking bomb, you guys. Like, can you guys believe this? Like, this is so gorgeous. I did not have to go in and touch up the curls. The curls are still so flawless. Like, they're bouncy. The hair is just gorgeous, you guys. It has a really nice texture. It's really silky and soft. It's definitely a great unit, and I have no complaints. It is a 13 by 4 lace wig, but the parting space does seem pretty deep. Also, the layers that I added just like turn this unit up a notch. It took it from like a 8 to like a whole 10, you guys. Like, it's gorgeous. I'm so loving this color. Thank you, RPG, for sending me this hair. I am in love with it. I have everything listed down below to where you guys can find this exact same unit. I don't know if y'all can hear that outside. Popo everywhere. But yeah, I'll have everything listed down below to where you guys can find this exact same unit on RPGhair. Yeah, this one is RPGhair. I know there's an RPGshow and there's an RPGhair. It's 2 complete different companies. For me, I feel like RPGhair provides a more reasonable prices wigs compared to RPGshow. And sometimes you guys do be in a comment getting mistaken between the 2 different companies. It is not the same company. It is 2 separate companies. So RPGhair and there's RPGshow. And also the wigs in like RPGhair are for the girls that's always on a budget. Like, their wigs are affordable compared to that other company that I was talking about. they are like overpriced and just overcharge you. But yeah, this is RPG hair. I'm not gonna waste you guys time no more and talk about nothing else because I don't have anything else to say. The hair speaks for itself. You guys can see, like, it's gorgeous. She's given. She's it's doing its thing. So I'll have everything listed down below in the description box for you guys. Check that out. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy this install. Like, share, comment, all of that. And as usual, I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.
You're watching